Hello guys, it's Mishan95 and why is there scissors? Because I just cut an empty whitener and found out what's inside. If you're ready for this video, make sure you please subscribe and like this video and support my channel by subscribing on your mom's phone, your dad's phone, your sisters, your brothers, your whole family members, your grandpas, your grandmas. Please subscribe and help me out. So, after some time, like I've struggled real hard, like for 3 to 4 months I think. So I bought a whitener and it's been really long since I've been using the whitener, and finally today it becomes empty, and this is the whitener. Sirika. That was a short power cut, never mind. But now we got what is inside our whitener. This is the top part. This looks something like this. Let me show clearly to you. There, looks something like that. Yes, it's good. It's good. Let me show it more clearly to you. Yeah, that's how it looks on the inside. Looks pretty cool actually. So that's the tip, and this is the body, the one that we all been waiting for. So I think you can see that shaking part, like, see, you can see it. Nah, this damn camera won't focus, man. So let me try to bring that out. Oh, and look what we get. A pipe. The dumb pipe. The dumb pipe. Here we got this thing. So it feels like metal, so feels like metal, but yeah, it does look like metal. I'm not sure whether it's metal or not, but this is how it looks. Damn camera. Yeah, this is how it looks. So yeah, let me wash this and let me come real quick. Well, after some time of cleaning, the power went out. Psych, just kidding. So this is what I got inside the whitener, just a metal cylindrical thing. Looks very sus, man. Looks very sus. But yeah, that's all about this video. You saw what inside a whitener. This whitener. This whole thing. I murdered this whitener to get out its heart, man. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.